here is the moment that Acosta became so fed up with this that he simply couldn't take it anymore. Take a look.
Okay, that's good, fine. But I think it's appropriate that the father be interviewed by the fake news. They don't want to interview him, and I wonder why. If we had a real press in this country, this wouldn't even be a race. And I'm not sure it is a race anyway. They just came out with the Atlanta Constitution.
All right, and that is former President Donald Trump holding what is being described as a Latino roundtable in Miami, although, as you just heard a few moments ago, it was sort of a rambling, incoherent string of consciousness or something close to that from the former president. He went on a variety of tangents during that rant a few moments ago. He described Kamala Harris as, quote, lazy as hell, saying she is a Marxist. She's not a Marxist. Obviously, she's not.